It all began one day with a glass jar. Welcome, this is Rozani, and this idea came to me from a tomato sauce marinara jar. I couldn't resist using it because I don't like to throw them away. It was waiting for something, but I didn't know what. So I picked it up and I started to play. And before I knew it, it began to evolve. And I got so inspired that I kept on going. This has been a really fun work in progress for me. And it's nearly completed. What do you think? I hope you like this idea. And here's a little bonus right on the lid, where you can see how I've added the tissue paper and the crepe paper using liquid starch. I hope this has given you an idea on what you can do with a marinara jar or any kind of glass jar using these supplies. I thank you so much for being with me, and I hope that you'll give this a try. I like to use these techniques in most of my papier mâché projects. That is, using the liquid starch with different types of paper. I'll keep going a little bit further, and then I'll set it aside to dry. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.